Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have OPPO Enco Air2 Pro and I'm going to show you how can you easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues. At first we have to disable Bluetooth and enable it back. To do so we have to go to Connect Devices and then Connection Preferences. Here we have to click Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth. After a while we have to enable it back and check if we are connected and if it's possible to connect. If it isn't, we have to do a soft reset. To do a soft reset, we have to insert our headphones back in the case, close it, wait at 10 seconds, and after that time we have to open the case and check if we can connect to our mobile. And if we can't, we have to forget our headphones from our mobile. To do so we have to click this gear icon and click forget. Then we have to pair back with our phone and check if we can pair. If we can't pair with our headphones, we have to do a hard reset. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!